So the OnePlus 13 already felt like a powerhouse this year. Big battery, sharp display, all the flagship vibes. But now OnePlus clearly isn't slowing down, because leaks about the OnePlus 15 have started surfacing. And thanks to Digital Chat Station, we've got some interesting details. First up, the display. DCS says the OnePlus 15 will come with a 6.7 8-inch screen, which is slightly smaller than the 13's 6.82 inch. Honestly, you probably won't even notice the difference when holding it. What you might notice though is the 1.5K resolution. This would be a shift from the higher resolution Quad HD Plus panels we've seen in recent OnePlus flagships. But what's exciting is the quad curve design and the use of a custom BOE panel. That means better power efficiency, improved brightness, and more consistent color accuracy across the screen. It's gonna look clean and feel refined. Now, battery life is expected to get a big boost, as you'd expect from a Chinese brand. According to Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 15 could pack at least a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, but likely under 8,000. That's a major jump from the 6,000 milliamp hour cell in the 13. It's also expected to support 100 watt wired Super VOOC charging, 50 watt Air VOOC wireless charging, along with 10 watt reverse charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. When it comes to the camera, DCS mentioned something called a multi-fold periscope setup. The sensor size isn't known yet, but many are hoping it at least matches the OnePlus 13's solid 3x periscope lens. Rumor has it the OnePlus 15 will retain a triple 50 megapixel rear camera setup, just like the OnePlus 13. But what's more intriguing is that it might drop the Hasselblad branding altogether. Instead, OnePlus could be introducing its own in-house image brand, which suggests a fresh take on photography that's fully controlled by them. There's also talk of custom side buttons, possibly similar to what we saw on the 13T. According to Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 15 might ditch the classic alert slider in favor of remappable buttons, so now you could set them up for whatever shortcut suits you, launching the camera, toggling a mode, or anything else that feels personal. And yes, it's pretty much confirmed at this point that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. So expect top shelf performance across the board. As for the launch, we're still a couple of months out. Most likely it'll drop towards the end of 2025. With everything DCS has shared so far, this isn't shaping up to be just another yearly refresh. The OnePlus 15 sounds like a bold shift in design and features, and we're definitely keeping an eye on what's next. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.